Problem 2. Use an array or ratio table to model and solve problems 2a and 2b and show all of your work. Let's look at 2a. 2a says a paved bike trail has an area of 7,147 square feet. So I'm going to highlight that area of 7,147 square feet, and the trail is 7 feet wide. We want to solve for how long is the trail, so we're trying to figure out the length. When I hear the word area, I automatically think I'm going to set up an open array. And I already know that that area that has to go inside is our 7,147 square feet. So that's going to be the total inside the array. The next piece of information that I do know is that it is already 7 feet wide. So I'm going to put a 7 out here. So I know this is 7 feet. What I'm trying to solve for is 7 times what up here is going to build up to 7,147 square feet. I could start with my tens, but 7 times 10 is only going to get me 70, and I'm going to need a lot of those to build up to 7,000. I could use 100. 7 times 100 would be 700, but again, I've got to get all the way to 7,147 square feet. So what I might start with is 1,000, and do 7 times 1,000, figure out what that chunk would be. So that would be 1,000 times 7 would be 7,000, so I've already chunked a lot. If I'm kind of tracking my thinking over here, and I take my total that's inside, and I take away the amount I just filled, if I take away 7,000 from 7,147, nice subtracting with zeros, I'm actually just left with 147. So now I'm going to try to figure out how many 7s fit in 147. So I'm going to multiply 7 times something to get me close to 147, and I'm going to keep building up that way. Go ahead and try to solve the rest of this problem on your own, either in your student book or on your piece of paper, and tune back in for the answer.